single SIM. It has a scratch-proof glass in the front and very seamless monobody design where you actually just have clean just 3 buttons over here and 1 button for the face of the device. So now that is something which is on the device. The design is actually the attention to details what Nokia has given. It's inside out, where you see the battery is the same color as the device, and here are the 2 slots of the memory card and the dual SIM, where the user doesn't have to actually switch off the device to connect the other SIM. Yeah.
Okay.
And you see the detailing around this, where people who have no nails also can actually bring them out.
Okay. So
yeah?
how has this been achieved? Like you have a.
So it's the whole ergonomics of the whole design and the attention to detail, which goes all the way to the high end and also in this segment.
Because even with the new Lumias, you need to actually use your nails to bring it out.
So that's the ease of use both dual SIM and single SIM. Of course, this is for the dual SIM. Now this is coming inside the device, where the design to wake up the screen is just beautiful, where you actually have you just double tap to wake the screen. On the glance screen, of course, you get your missed call notifications, and then you have your events coming up. Yeah. And I have lots of messages, but I want to see what Priya is saying, so you could actually just select that specific message where you could actually want to address.
So you need to actually swipe, or you need to tap?
Anything.
Anything. Okay.
Yeah. And you go right inside the message. So it's the smooth swipe which we just never seen before in this price segment. Yeah. And whichever app you are at, suppose I'm in the phone or in my contacts, I could actually just swipe out of it. Yeah. And that's the beauty of the device and the details inside and outside. There are 2 home screens. One, you have the main screen where you have all the apps, and here you have the fast lane. So here you see all your activities that you have done, which is either today, what I've been doing yesterday or day before, and what is also coming up.
Okay.
So it actually in one place gives you everything. Yeah.
So it's like a combination. Does it have the notifications also in the same place?
Yeah. So the notification bar, which is from top and from bottom.
Okay. This should be the menu part, right?
Sorry?
That should be the menu part that comes from the down.
So it's within the app.
Okay.
So wherever the features are there, that's what makes the whole device so unique.
Okay.
Where it is actually optimizing everything. And for example, even if the search, right now I don't need to search, but if I want to search, I just put it down and the search appears.
Okay.
So that's how.
So you're using a lot of screen space, utilizing it optimized for.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And the fast lane actually makes it so easy and smarter. If I'm just playing a video, for example. And that's the, I have something else to do, I just swipe out of it and I go back to videos.
So the complete multitasking feature is available.
Smarter multitasking.
Smarter multitasking.
Yeah, and I start back from where I stopped.
Okay.
Okay.
So
that's how the fast lane
any
works.
other feature?
So I told you about the design.
Yep.
I told you about the fast lane, which is the innovation that we have come out with, and then I told you about the internet. I didn't tell you about the
Nokia Express one.
Yeah. Okay. So as you know about the Express browser, which has up to 90% compression, data compression, and you can actually see the new landing page, which is so fresh and so cool.
So these are like the web apps that was.
So there are around different links, hot links, which are behind each of these icons.
Okay.
So these are featured. This is the Airtel links, and then you have these preloaded for the device, so that people can quickly just log on. Okay, and then you actually see this is a new feature that we have come out with. This is Nokia Express now, which actually aggregates a lot of information which is trending in your area, and it just showcases.
So it does the caching
at the back end.
At the back end.
Yeah.
So that goes to the Nokia server.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So what's hot? What are people around you actually seeing? And that is something which the youth really like. So if you see, it ranges from different topics where it has, it has cricket, it has Bollywood news.
So these are all aggregated from news channels and Twitter and Facebook, or like where is the source coming?
Yeah, so these are centrally sourced with what's trending in the Asha users. And if you see here, you can just go to anything, for example this, and you can actually also like it. Yeah, this is the demo that Peter's is showing.